video I will show how to set up PostgreSQL to work with teslascada 2. First, you have to install PostgreSQL server on your PC. In our example, we will show how to use it on Windows 10. We already installed PostgreSQL server. If you don't know how to install it, you can find in our user manual links for installation examples. After installed, you have to make some settings. You have to create database test. In our example test, it's not, you shouldn't name it only test, you can name the name you want. Also, you have to create login. In our case, we have created rig, and we make some settings: privilege, superuser, create roles, create databases, and so on for this user. Also, to have possibility to connect from the other device, you have to make some settings in configuration files. You can find them in your disk when you install PostgreSQL in data folder. So you have to open PostgreSQL config file, and check that you have settings, listen addresses like this, all. Also, it will be helpful in this file make some changes like here: LC messages that shows locale for system error messages, change from your settings to English language like this, because if you don't do this, you get scramble in error messages if something will be wrong in settings. Also, in this file pghba, you can add this line: host all, database all, user all, address here, like here, and method md5. This lets you connect from the other PC devices. Now let's configure our project in teslascada ID. Open event history, and you have to set up PostgreSQL prefix like here: gdpc PostgreSQL, then host, in our case IP address, and database after slash, in our case test, username and password. The same things for recipe and for history.db. And let's check. It's connected. You can change values. And in the screen, you can find history.db and y trend values. Okay, let's check the project for user-defined Postgres. You can set up table here, table name, and in script you can work with this db by using insert, update, delete, and read function. All projects you can find below this video, and you can work with them. Let's see tables in the Postgres server by using pgadmin software. And tables. You can find all these tables here that created by our software. And let's check some row. Yes, rows is created. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask.